Hey guys, Alicia here. I just wanted to show you how to make a gold foil texture paper. And this was a question, and this was something that I could do quickly before I start getting into calendars and planners. So in iPicky.com, you're going to want to click on Create a Design. And what we're going to be doing here is we're going to make a solid gold box. And that gold box, you can pick whatever shade of gold that you would like. And we are going to be using two systems, or two different programs. We're going to use iPicky to make the box, and then we're going to be using Paintnet to do a few little things. It's very simple to do. So normally for papers, I would do 1500 by 1500, just because that is a 12 by 12, and that's what is normally sold on Etsy. So, but just for purposes of the video to show you how to do this, I'm just making a box 500 by 500. So you're going to go here down to your yellows, and right underneath here, you're going to see all your shades of gold. And then we're going to pick one that we like. Okay, so here is our gold box right here, and we're now going to save this to our computer. You can save it wherever you would like. Okay, now I'm actually going to jump over here to Paint.net, and there's just a couple of steps that we need to do. Let's go ahead and open that photo. Okay, right here is our gold box. So all we have to do, we're going to click on Effects, and we are going to go down here where it says Render, and you're going to click on Clouds. Now, if you watch any Photoshop tutorial on this, they're going to show you the same exact thing. I'm showing you how to do this for free, where you don't have to buy Photoshop. Okay, so right here, you have an option to scale this. Now, you can make this really big, or you can make it really textured, like this if you want. I'm just going to kind of do something in between, like maybe right here. And you also want to make sure that your blend mode is set to overlay, okay? Because if you did multiply, it's going to do something crazy like that. However, that's a cool texture. That's not the look we're going for right now. So I'm just going to click overlay, and we're going to click OK. Okay, one last step that we need to do is we're going to go here where it says distort, and once again, any Photoshop tutorial that you see, they're going to tell you to go to glass. Well, here in Paint.net, you're going to go to distort, and you're going to go to frosted glass. Now at this point, you have a chance to make this your maximum. I kind of bump it up, your scatter radius and your minimum scatter radius. And then you can actually choose your smoothness, like however smooth you want this. You can just play around with this until you get it like how you actually like it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. And this is our foil paper, and I'm going to show you how that works. So we're going to click Save As. And the quality is 100%, so we're going to click OK. Now I'm going to jump back over here to iPicky, and I'm just going to type some text out, and I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to do that and how we're going to, make that text. So actually, let me just click okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add some text here, and I'm going to pick just kind of a really cool looking font, like with flames. And sorry, I'm trying to find it where it was. Okay, so right here I picked this font that has flames, and I'm just going to type gold foil. And just to show you how that works, I'm going to upload the image. Oh, that's not the right one. Hang on just a second. Upload image. Okay, so here is our gold foil. We're just going to drag this over here on top of this text, and I'm going to completely cover the image. And just to show you how this works, I'm going to click lighten, and then here is our gold foil. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.